Yo, here we are having lunch. Jesse McDougall here with the Martial Arts of Money, doing a bunch of website administration today, that's what we'll call it. And I'm breaking here for lunch. The time is 1 o'clock or 12:30 or whatever. I've been up since 6:30 a.m. and it's my first meal of the day. I've drinking a pot of coffee. And in this meal here, this is, call it a keto meal. Or just a healthy meal, whatever the advertising term you want to put on it. But here I want to touch on something I've never really touched on before about people that are bulimic or concerned about eating. Okay? And I've actually battled with this, and it's kind of a bit of a subtle issue for me. A lot of times I'm scared to eat because I think if I'm going to eat less, I'm going to lose more weight and I'm going to be in shape and be better, more healthy. And that is further thing from the truth. And you have to eat. And so now if you're kind of dealing a little bit with that emotional issue, if that's a trigger in your life, well, here's a good meal, and trust the process, trust the Jesse here. If you are bulimic or whatever, this is all superfood. This is absolute power food. And whether if you're 95 pounds or 250 pounds, you eat this meal, you are going to be healthier. So if you are suffering from bulimic, I don't know if bulimia-ism, if that's a word or whatever, but if that's an issue for you, eat this meal. Okay, and if you're trying to recover from being bulimic, eat this meal, and then you're probably going to feel like in your mind, it's going to be like, oh, I shouldn't be eating this. I'm going to go throw it up and blah, blah, blah. But this is where you just apply a little bit of discipline. Disciplina, okay? Control your urges. Don't run to the bathroom. Don't go throw up, okay? Go out to the park or lock yourself or have a buddy monitor you and work through it and just kind of namaste, balance your chi, relax your mind, meditate for maybe 10, 20 minutes or however long it takes you. And that feeling will pass of your body will be like, oh, I need to throw up this food because I need to look more skinnier and stuff like that, okay? So you can work through it mentally. So a lot of the pain you go through isn't physical pain, it's mental pain. And you don't need to be in that mental state, and you can work through those mental states. It's personal development, it's mental health. The cool thing about your brain and mental health is you actually get better, you get smarter, you get mentally stronger. I just thought I'd throw this out here. And if you're wondering what's in here, there's avocado, 4 whole eggs, celery, mushroom, tomato, what else? Onions, and that's it, man. That's it. So if you are more on the model skinny side kind of thing and a little bit of bulimic, you can eat this, and this is totally fine. This is nothing but superfood. This is probably one of the healthiest meals you can eat on the planet, and it's very simple. The thing that blows my mind away when it comes to health and nutrition, it's basically 20, 30 different ingredients. You fry it up, stir it up, mix it and whatever and blah, blah, blah. Put it in your body, eat it, rinse and repeat, and keep going on whatever. But you have to have the time to make your food and prepare your food. And that's the issue where I find a lot of challenges come into when you're trying to eat a healthy lifestyle. Anyways, if you liked this video, if you're still listening, I just want to say thank you. If you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, that'd be greatly appreciated. I do actually have a goal of getting 5,000 subscribers, and I'm kind of scared of doing it. But if you also want my meal plan that I've made up, I've made a superior eating system up over the course of 10 to 15 years to be a professional mixed martial arts fighter and European Muay Thai champion, superior athlete. You can go to the superior, or just go to healthycookingmenu.com and download the free PDF. Put your email in there, and you'll get the free eating system. And if you follow the eating system, it's the superioreatingsystem.com. You can also go there and get it. If you follow it, you will lose weight, you will get healthier, and all those cool benefits. Trust the Jesse, trust the process. I am good people, experienced, and I come with good intentions. So have a good day, and let's see. Penny, what's up? Here's my cat. My best friends are cats. So she's like kind of like a little bit of a tiger. Anyways, I got to get back to the grind here. I've got to get back to work. Anywho, hope you had a great day. Take care.